Gill. I'll be representing Guldev. Unfortunately, due to some personal issues, she couldn't be here. Me, along with my team, will make sure कि we address any questions that you might have. बेशक वो assessment को लेकर हों या examination overall को या a specific component of the assessment life cycle. So in this presentation, I'm going to walk you through some challenges जो कि e-marking को लेकर हमने अपने clients के साथ experience से दरियाफ्त किए हैं. Overall, we'll also talk about some cost implications जो कि manual marking में होती हैं, and how does e-marking make sure कि those costs are not incurred for our customers. At the same time, the basic highlight of this session is going to be addressing the concerns जो कि normally that come up when we talk to our clients, when we conduct projects, go through some activities. उसके अलावा we'll also talk about some of the analytics methods that we use in assessment. Primarily, we're going to talk about item analysis, research analysis, and we'll also touch base on कि AI को industry-wide कहाँ उसकी applications हैं. I have a demo of a tool which is basically our partnership with one of leading personalized learning and assessment services providing company iCare.